Be sure to cook.
Welcome back to another episode of Be Sure to Cook. I love the holidays, and for this holiday, I'm making something very special. It's my own. We're making wild rice cranberry stuffing. So stay tuned and let's do this. I'm excited. Okay, so we're gonna get our rice started. We're using a wild rice. This is some of my turkey drippings that I got from my turkey. You can use, turkey drippings. Since it's Thanksgiving, I'm using turkey drippings. You can use chicken broth. You can use whatever you want. Any kind of stock you want. And then I'm putting my rice in here. Yep. Okay. So these are my cranberries. And I got cranberry on my hand. I'm going to get about a good handful. I'm going to take this big handful and I'm going to go ahead and put it in my rice wise cookie. Okay, I got me a little of celery. I'm using a white onion. I like white onion, yellow onion, any kind of onion I like. But for this dish here, I think white onion would go better with this. Okay, so after I rinsed out off my vegetables, which would be the celery and the onions, I got some of my broth here dripping from the turkey. You just take it and you just skin it off, put a little bit on your vegetables, and let's put this on the stove and let's cook these. Okay, let's add a little bit of seasonings. We're going to add about a 1/4 tablespoon of Mrs. Dash blend. I just put 1/4 teaspoon. You don't have to. This is an option of garlic powder, fresh cracked black pepper of your choice. And we're going to let this simmer and cook a little bit. And the liquid is still going to be the same juice, the turkey drippings or the chicken drippings or whatever, veal drippings. It's whatever you want to, whatever one. Okay, that's 2 cups of the broth in there. Here is my wild rice cranberry. You can use any old type of breadcrumbs if you want. I'm using the black kind, and I'm using pretty much a basic, everyday that everybody uses. This is a Pepperidge Farm, but you can use any type of breadcrumbs, or you can make your own. This rice that I had, and I'm just going to take a scoop or so, and I'm going to put it into here with my dressing stuffing. And I'm just going to mix all this up. Hot broth. Well, I'm just going to sprinkle a little of this on here. Getting that moist, not a little. Just sprinkle all that. I'm trying to be modest. A little. You want to just sprinkle it all and you want to toss it. Plain baking dish, and I'm going to spread with some nonstick spray. Again, we got this, and we're not going to overwork this because we want to leave this just like it is. 350-degree oven, what you talking about? Here you go, my cranberry wild rice stuffing. All right, 25 minutes for me. Each oven is totally different. If you have gas, it cooks faster. Sometimes if you have electric, it cooks faster. It depends on how your stove is. Really, that is really true. 325, 350 could be a lot different in each different stove. So this is about 25 minutes later, and here it is. You remember that nice crispy golden brownish like I told you about? This is it. So here it is, cranberry wild rice dressing. Please enjoy this dish with your family. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you enjoyed making this with me, because guess what? I didn't make this alone. You and me, we did this together. Hey guys, please like, share, and subscribe on my YouTube channel, and come back for other good dishes. I'll see you next time. Happy holidays. Bye-bye.